Okay guys, we're here. Frenzy in the mall in Louisville. Hey! Hi Japan. Sorry I'm late. I literally just got my dress. Okay. Okay, y'all, we made it. So today I am showing you how my hairstylist Japan put my frontal sew-in an extended ponytail. I've never had this hairstyle done on a sew-in before. I've actually never had this hairstyle done before at all. So I wanted to whip out my camera and show you guys the process. It was a really interesting one, so make sure you are watching because Japan doesn't actually use a hair tie for this, but we'll get there. So this hairstyle was for the Margarita Ball, which is an annual ball that is like a formal event, and it's also a charity event that's held here in Dallas specifically every single year. I went for the first time this year with Devin. I had such an amazing time, and I really wanted to come and just slay the house down, which I did. I added some vlog footage in this video at the very end, so stay tuned for that, but the rest of the footage will definitely be in this week's As Told by Ashley, which is my weekly vlog that I post on Sundays usually. I also wanted to come on and talk to you guys about UNice hair because I only wear UNice hair. This is the UNice Kyssis hair. It's just a different grade, a better grade of hair that they sell. They have a bunch of different grades that they're selling now. So when you go to the website, you can search through. But this is Kysiss. I really like this hair. And if you're wondering about the color, I did it myself. Click in the top right hand corner. That card will show you the video where I walk you through step by step how I achieved this hair color and the mistakes I made, so your hair does not come out like mine, it comes out even better than mine. So while Japan is just finishing up, see how quick this was? While he's just finishing up, I also wanted to touch on the Black Friday sale. Today you can order UNice hair for 12% off, and this weekend and on into next week, you can get UNice hair for 8% off. So for 12% off, use the code BF12. For 8% off, use the code BF8. So definitely, if you've had your eye on some hair, today is a great day to buy. But stay tuned for the vlog footage. Just some sneak peeks of the Margarita Ball. Hey guys, so I made it to the Margarita Ball. We're at the toy drop-off. I already dropped off my toys. So now that we've dropped off our toys, we're gonna actually head to the ball. I'm excited. Here's my dress. I got it from whatchamacallit. Okay, y'all, we just got our drinks and we just took pictures. Say let's ball. Wait till y'all see them. So excited for you guys to see them. Well, they'll be up by the time you see this vlog. But it's 3 levels. So we're walking into the 3rd level now. There are so many people here. We need to take some pictures in here. Love your dress. Thank you so much. It's beautiful in here. Okay, yeah, I want the pictures in here. I just don't know where. Shot callers, dipping in the bins with the strollers. On the low from the Jake in the story. Free falling. Hey. Alright, you guys, it's over.